I'm Emily Schmucker. I'm a solution architect for Collectiv, and in my mug, I have a cappuccino that I made with my espresso machine. Prior to working at Collectiv, I worked for a K-12 school district in data analytics, and so I got to work on some projects where I was helping with projections for graduation, which was just really exciting and a really cool project to be a part of. Something awe-inspiring that I've experienced is going to Glacier National Park and being at St. Mary's Glacier Lodge. They have a patio where you can look out over the mountains and glaciers, and it's just so beautiful and just is really amazing to be in nature like that. So I'm from Ohio, and the town that I'm from is self-titled the Constitution Town because they have a whole Constitution Week celebration and a Constitution Day parade, and it's all based on there is an actual Constitution Week holiday, and it was founded by someone from my town. Something I'm passionate about is being able to travel and experience new places, new cultures, new natural areas. I just think it's really important to be able to explore the world and learn new things.